So, hello my best friends, in this video I will show you how to quickly and very simply solve the problem that you have. And the topic of this video, iPhone 13 fix why the iPhone screen randomly dims. Okay, again, iPhone 13 fix why the iPhone screen randomly dims. So let's get started and do everything step by step. Click like that I will get heart, you'll get heart too. It's very good when hearts are standing. Likes. Thank you. And ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. So I show you two very effective methods fix your problem. Okay, so I show you methods number one. Okay, press and hold button turn off or turn on, and press and hold button volume down. Okay, hold 2-3 seconds. Yeah, let's get started. Yeah, choose slide to power off, left, right. Yeah, click and left, right, and waiting 8 seconds, and your iPhone turn off, completed, and clear the cache your iPhone made. It's very cool method. Okay, I showed you very cool and okay, well method. So press button turn on or turn off, and loading, and hold on. We waiting. My iPhone loading just a little more and completed. So insert passcode. So I showed you very effective methods. Now I show you the best method. Yeah. Press the volume up and then the volume down and then the off button and hold until the Apple logo appears. Okay, I show you volume up, volume down, and press button turn off or turn on and hold until the Apple logo appears. 18, 10, 8, sorry, 8, oh, 18, no. 8 to 8, 10 seconds and Apple logo and finish it. Yeah. I showed you how to solve the reset with hardware case and clear the cache. It's two very effective methods. Check if this method works for you. I showed you the first method, it is very effective. If you can't do it, write the model number of your iPhone and I'll shoot a video for you, it's not a problem. Click like when I will get heart, you'll get heart too. It's very good when ours are standing. Likes. Thank you. And ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. So leave comments, subscribe to the channel. Bye.